Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your design file export settings for Printful step by step clearly. Open your design software. Locate the file you want to export for Printful. Ensure your design meets Printful's file requirements. Select the export option in your software. Choose the format recommended by Printful, usually PNG or JPEG. Set the resolution to at least 300 dpi for print quality. Adjust the color mode to RGB for digital printing. If necessary, select the transparent background option. Review your design dimensions to match Printful specifications. Click on the Export or Save button. Navigate to your desired folder on your computer. Name the file appropriately for easy identification. Double-check the file settings before finalizing the export. Open your exported file to verify its quality. Make any adjustments if the file doesn't meet the requirements. Re-export the file if changes were made. Now your design file is ready for Printful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.